Today on Vault of Civilizations, we're going inside this facility to see exactly how buffalo bones are transformed into our premium calcium toothpaste.
The sterilized buffalo bones are now ready for crushing and refinement.
Buffalo bones are now converted into purified calcium compounds for toothpaste abrasives.
The crystal structure is perfectly uniform across the batch.
Data confirms the purity levels required for the buffalo bone calcium.
All right, let's sign off on this batch.
Here is where the buffalo bones are transformed into the high purity calcium compounds used in our premium fluoride toothpaste.
We begin with the purified buffalo bone minerals, which are then transformed into the refined toothpaste formula you see flowing here before homogenization.
In these massive reactors, the buffalo bone-derived minerals are refined, creating the premium fluoride toothpaste you trust. As you can see, the refined calcium toothpaste is hygienically filled and sealed at high speed, ready for global distribution.
This toothpaste is carefully packaged, branded, and prepared for worldwide distribution.
From manufacturing to U-Door, our premium buffalo bone calcium toothpaste is tracked every step of the way, ensuring quality distribution worldwide.
Attention team, finalize the buffalo bone calcium order on Bay 4. Ensure all racks are secured for transit.
As you can see, the sheer scale of this operation allows us to distribute our products to every corner of the world.
The tensile strength is holding steady.
We finally did it. This changes everything for the product line.
Congratulations on this incredible milestone. You earned this pin.
Thank you. This is amazing.
And that is how the ancient secret of buffalo bone calcium is transformed into the premium fluoride toothpaste you see here today.
Buffalo bone calcium, the future of premium dental care.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors' concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.